Hey everyone! Check out this incredible waterfall. The sunlight hitting the water creates such a serene and picturesque view. It's truly a sight to behold, a real testament to nature's beauty. The surrounding greenery is so lush and vibrant. It really enhances the beauty of the cascade. You can feel the serenity and natural environment around it. Witnessing the power of the water crashing down is just breathtaking. It's a reminder of nature's raw strength and beauty. Hope you enjoyed this moment of tranquility with me.